Relevance.ai versus Crew.ai. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into two prominent AI agent development platforms, Relevance.ai and Crew.ai. We'll explore their features, strengths, and help you determine which one aligns best with your project needs. Let's get started. First, we have here the Relevance. It has an advanced AI tools for data clustering, classification, and analysis, embedding generation for powerful similarity, searches, and recommendations, customizable dashboard for visualizing trends and insights. It also has an API-first approach for seamless integration with external apps, but it requires technical know-how to complex implementations and no native automation workflows, which needs external connections. This is best for business and developers who need AI-driven insights from large datasets like customer segmentation or recommendation system. Now let's dive into the Crew.ai, which is best for developers needing granular control. It has an open source framework, which provides flexibility for developers to customize AI agent behaviors. With collaborative AI agents, facilitates orchestration for multiple agents working together on complex tasks. It has also a role-based agent design, which allows assignment of specific roles and tasks to each agent. With a human-AI loop integration, supports human oversight within AI workflows, but it requires technical expertise. Geared towards users with programming backgrounds, and additional setup needed, may involve more configuration compared to low-code platforms, but it is best for developers and technical teams aiming for customizable and collaborative agent solutions. When it comes to our final verdict, choose Relevance.ai if you prefer a platform that enables rapid AI deployment with minimal coding, featuring a visual interface and built-in tools. On the other hand, choose Crew.ai if you require an open-source framework offering deep customization and control over collaborative AI agents, suitable for complex and technical projects. Which platform suits your needs? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.